Hello everyone, welcome to the start of our tech series where we'll be delving into creating a customer B2C application using Profisee. To kick things off, let's dive into our case study. So, the problem statement is this: Swift Ride, a prominent player in the bicycle industry, grapples with the fragmented customer data spread across various systems and channels. With expanding product lines and customer segments, SwiftRide faces challenges in maintaining their data accuracy, completeness, and consistency. This leads to operational inefficiencies, suboptimal customer interactions, and missed opportunities for personalized marketing. To overcome these hurdles and enhance customer engagement, SwiftRide seeks a robust master data management solution tailored for B2C operations. For creating solution, this is our flow of our tech series. We will start by designing the data model for our application. Following that, we will establish the relationship between entities to ensure a data integrity. We will then proceed to import relevant data into our system. Next, we will set up the rules to ensure the data quality and consistency of our data. We will incorporate the rules to verify the addresses for accuracy. Then we will create matching and survivorship rules to deduplicate the data and remove the duplicate data. Then we will create a FastApp presentation view and the pages. These are all the UI components which are helpful to display the master records onto the UI. Finally, we will generate the forms, workflows, and reports to streamline user interactions and data analysis. We will be exploring each of these steps in a detail, providing you with the practical insights and guidance along the way. So stay tuned as we embark on this journey to create a cutting edge customer B2C application using Profisee. Thank you.